What about grounding? Have you gone down that rabbit hole? Like I personally sleep on grounding sheets as opposed to like unplugging my Wi-Fi router. I mean, there's so many rogue EMFs. There's a book, I forget the guy's name, called The Ion Effect, basically talking about all these radio waves and signals and how that they wreak havoc on a system at a cellular level.
Yeah, the way to think about how they affect us is, so at a fundamental level, what is the cell? The cell is this factory that is trying to work against entropy. So entropy is leading us towards disorder. The cell is trying to do the opposite. It's trying to build, trying to make this organism, trying to make it taller, trying to grow beautiful hair on it. How does it do that? It does that by coupling certain reactions to heat. So the cell itself is producing heat, but so the heat is increasing the entropy outside of it. But inside of it, it's doing useful building reactions. The way it does these reactions, they have to be activated by catalysts or enzymes. Enzymes are very important in the human body. Without enzymes, we won't be able to be alive. All these reactions that happen in our cells will take thousands of years to happen without enzymes. Enzymes make them a lot more efficient, so they happen in milliseconds. These enzymes, the cell itself is surrounded by something we call EZ water, which is the fourth phase of water. It's kind of like plasma, okay? It's not solid or liquid water. Gerald Pollack wrote a book about this, if people are interested. So it's called the fourth phase of water. This water is highly energized, and it's the structure that enzymes require in order to function properly. They need the water to be in that phase. If you're exposing your body to a lot of electromagnetic frequencies or EMFs from devices, from Wi-Fi, from radio, from Bluetooth, that causes this water to lose its energy and go back to being just liquid water. It loses this energized fourth phase of water.
Interesting.
And so that makes all your enzymes a lot less efficient.
And does salinity have an effect on that? I've been putting sea salt in my water, and I was having random headaches from time to time, which is not common for me. And when I started putting sea salt in my water, that went away. And I've heard that it has something to do with osmosis and the ability for the water to get into the cell. Is that incomplete or incorrect?
Yeah, I mean, you need salt. Salt is very important, and salt helps with all these cellular functions.
And not table salt, that's just sodium, right?
Even table salt is good.
Okay.
There are other forms that are better, but any salt is better than no salt.
Okay.
So again, going back, the electromagnetic frequencies ruin this fourth phase of water. And what helps, anything that reconnects you to the rhythm of the earth helps restructure this. So the sun helps restructure this fourth phase of water, and so does grounding.